Nebraska. The legislative session in Nebraska ended also in June, I believe, and there was yet another attempt to severely throttle the hemp industry in Nebraska that failed. However, the Attorney General just really has something in his heart to get rid of hemp in the state of Nebraska. His latest attempt at that is that he's filed in Lancaster County in Nebraska, he's filed a lawsuit against a company called Savage Enterprises, which is based in Wyoming. It's a California company. It's a Wyoming company that's based in California. Savage Enterprises is a national product manufacturer that sells products all over the country, including into the state of Nebraska. The lawsuit is based on the idea that the products themselves are labeled in such a way that are not in compliance with Nebraska law, specifically the Consumer Protection Act, that are attractive to children, and that are misleading in that they contain potencies vastly different than what is on the label. These are claims we've seen in other federal lawsuits filed against companies like Cookies and Stizzy. It is becoming more and more a vehicle through which governments and private entities can attempt to attack the hemp industry, is by saying your labeling does not reflect what's actually in the package. That's why it's extremely important that you guys make sure whatever you're making complies with both federal and state law when it comes to products for human consumption. This is by no means the first lawsuit that the AG has filed. This is the 16th he's filed against hemp companies in the state of Nebraska. He has sent out 225 cease and desist letters since being in office to hemp companies across the state of Nebraska, 21 in the last month. So he's just picking up steam, guys. The key takeaways from the lawsuit are Savage Enterprises is alleged to have no age gating on their website, meaning they don't ever ask if you're 21 in order to purchase. And they have several promos in their marketing, both on their website and through Instagram and other social media channels, that are giving away things like Nintendo Switches and other things that could be considered attractive to children, as well as their products. Big no-no. I highly suggest that if anybody is thinking about handing out Game Boys and other things that, yes, may be used by adults, but are generally toys marketed to children or video games marketed to children, don't mix those with your hemp and cannabis products. Bad idea.